Hi friends, I hope you all are fine. So in this video, I will share 3 ways to fix DNS Server Not Responding problem in Windows. Let's get started. Now here, first select Use the following DNS server addresses option, and then put 8.8.8.8 in the preferred DNS server, and 8.8.4.4 in the alternate DNS server. After that, tick the Validate Settings box, and then click on OK button to save the changes. Once settings save successfully, see your problem solve or not. If still not, then try the second method. Once all commands executed successfully, you must restart your laptop or PC. Once restarted, see your problem solve or not. If still not, then try the third method. These are the 3 ways through which you can fix DNS Server Not Responding problem in Windows. If you find my video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.